Between tender and quotation. We have discussed what is tender, what is quotation. Okay, it is visible to you. Okay. So on the basis of these points of comparison, particularly the meaning and response to the components and response to the particular organization and component and scope. So meaning, especially quotation, many times people may not able to differentiate between the tender and quotation. So tender and quotation. Quotation is a document of setting out estimated cost for supplying goods or servicing or producing something. Tender is refer to the process of soliciting suppliers to bid on goods or services needed by the buyer. So technically these are the meanings of tender and quotation. Okay. So it is a document of setting out the estimated cost for supplying goods or servicing or processing. Tender refers to process of soliciting suppliers to bid on goods or services needed by the buyer. What is basic technical meaning and what is basic technical difference in the definition of the tender and quotation? Have you understood from these two points? What is difference? What you have understood? दोघांचे meaning इथे तुम्हाला दिलेले आहे. What do you mean by quotation? What do you mean by tender? What difference you acknowledge? कोण सांगू शकेल? हॅलो, आपण टेंडर आणि कोटेशन दोघे डिटेल्स मध्ये बघितलेले आहेत, दोघांचे प्रोसेस बघितलेले आहेत. ओके, what difference you have identified? Let me know. मीनिंग मध्ये काय डिफरन्स आयडेंटिफाय झाला का दोन्ही सारखेच वाटतात? दोघांमधला डिफरन्स काय वाटतो तुम्हाला? कोण सांगेल? परत एकदा वाचा आणि मला सांगा. हॅलो, रीड आउट. हु विल रीड आउट? कोण वाचा आणि मला सांग. मला तुमचं खरं म्हणजे अंडरस्टँडिंग बघायचं. आपण what difference you what you have understood? Where it is said small scale? Where it is said small scale for quotation? Where it is said big amount for tender? Normally it is there practically, but where it is said in this definition, where it is said. So quotation is a document of setting out estimated cost. Normally in quotations we are not, especially the cost of the material, specification of the material, it is provided to the supplier, and cost is asked to bid or cost is asked to quote. ठीक आहे. सो दॅट इज सेटिंग आउट द एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट. म्हणजे एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट जी आहे तुमची, एस्टिमेटेड जरी एस्टिमेशन जरी तुम्ही केलं असेल कोटेशनच्या जे मटेरियल तुम्हाला मागवायचं आहे त्यासाठी, पण तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट ही तुम्ही प्रोव्हाइड करत नाहीये. यू आर नॉट प्रोव्हाइडिंग द एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट टू द बिडर्स. ओके. So setting out the estimated cost means, suppose you have set estimated cost ₹10 for particular atom per unit, but you don't, you are not disclosing this cost. लक्षात येत आहे का तुमच्या? You are not disclosing this cost. You are just disclosing the specification of the atom, and you are inviting quotation. म्हणजे the person will go through the atom and specification and he will quote. So he may quote 12 rupees, he may quote 13 rupees, he may quote 8 rupees, he may quote 9 rupees, but he don't know what is the estimated cost by the department, right? So that is hidden here in the quotation, and once the quotation it is available for supply or maybe service or maybe supplying of goods or maybe servicing quotation, तुमची एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट तुम्ही ठरवलेली आहे, पण तुमच्या नंतर लक्षात आलं की कोटेशन नंतर त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी आपण एस्टिमेट केली त्यापेक्षा कमी आहे का, आपण एस्टिमेट केली त्यापेक्षा जास्त आहे का. नॉर्मली यू विल कम टू द कन्क्लुजन दॅट की आवर एस्टिमेशन इज नॉट ॲज पर द करंट मार्केट. इफ द कॉस्ट quoted by all the bidders is more than the estimated value which is with the department, which is not disclosed. But sometimes, or in the most of the times, you will find that in competitive open quotation you will have the lowest price than that of your estimated cost. So here is one of the check. कुठला check आहे इथे की we can take our judgment that whether we are right or wrong, or we are going, we have gone for right estimation, yes or no. In tender process, actually this process is a tedious process. So you have estimated the materials, or you have estimated the entire project, you have estimated cost that is displayed. इथे तुम्ही एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट डिस्प्ले करताय की म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, कामाचे अंदाजे रक्कम. इथे आपण वस्तूचे अंदाजे रक्कम कोटेशन मध्ये कळवत नाहीये. इन टेंडर वी यूज टू डिक्लेअर दी अप्रॉक्सिमेट कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्झिक्युशन ऑफ द वर्क, नाही का. अँड इट इज अ प्रोसेस दॅट अकॉर्डिंग टू, म्हणजे त्याच कॉस्टला ते टेंडर भरणार आहे. आलं का लक्षात. फक्त म्हणजे जी काही टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये देन निगोशिएशन विल बी देअर, बट कॉस्टिंग विल बी फॉर ओनली दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट. म्हणजे त्याच कॉस्टला प्रत्येकाला आता कॉस्ट माहित आहे. टेंडर भरताना सगळ्यांना कॉस्ट माहित आहे, सगळ्यांना अर्नेस्ट डिपॉझिट माहित आहे, सगळ्यांना सिक्युरिटी डिपॉझिट माहित आहे. ऑल ऑफ देम विल फॉलो द प्रोसेस. ओनली इन टेंडरिंग व्हॉट इट इज डन, the eligibility of the party is more concerned, technical experience of the party is more concerned, and once it is found that there are 2-3 parties eligible for the tender, then there may be a negotiation. So after negotiation there is a finalization of a particular party. So this type of thing which happens in the tender. So that is soliciting suppliers to the bid on the goods or services needed by the buyer. इथे जी गरज आहे needed by the buyer, आणि इथे जो खरेदी करू इच्छितो, procuring and needed, that is difference. Okay. Any more doubt you have regarding this? Okay. Then you may have the request. Both case you are request for tender, you are requesting for quotation. Response, that is on both sides it is requested. Component, here it is only price with the price and quality. Price and for price तर आपण कळवलेली आहे, पण बेसिकली व्हॉट आय टोल्ड यू दी क्वालिटी. आता इथे स्पेसिफिकेशन्स आपण दिलेत त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला फक्त प्राइस टाकायची. इथे मात्र तुम्हाला वर्क एक्झिक्युशन करायचं अँड दॅट वर्क एक्झिक्युशन अँड क्वालिटी बेस्ड ऑन युअर पास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स. तुमची पास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स काय आहे त्याच्यावर. आणि स्कोप नॅरो म्हणजे लिमिटेड स्कोप, कमी कॉस्ट साठी आपण कोटेशन कॉल करतो. कंपॅरेटिव्हली लार्ज गोष्टीसाठी आपण टेंडर कॉल. ओके. सो you should able to write the comparison clearly about quotation and tender. Okay. अजूनही जॉइन होता है ओके ठीक है. Then next types of tender we have already discussed. In this regard, I think you don't have open tender, selective tender, negotiation tender, term tender. So we know this all. This is one important flow chart that what we have e-market किंवा e-tendering we have discussed. E-tendering process. So you can keep in your mind the process of e-tendering via this particular diagram. Okay. So initially what to, I told you that government e-marketing or you may have the GEM portal. So what process actually takes place? What process actually takes place is shown by this particular figure. Okay. So request for the tender, it is prepared. Means you may have to prepare tender notice. Earlier, whatever the documentation, estimation, costing, design, drawing, everything is ready. After you know everything, it is ready, then you may put a request for the tender. That is tender notice is prepared and it is put on the website, or you can have the directly the dedicated website web portal, that is GEM portal available. You can put it over there and you are inviting the tender. So tenders are invited. Then you will give some tentative duration of 1 month or whatever. Then supplier's response you will get in that particular online. All documentations will be available to you online, supplier's response. Then evaluation and selection, that process will take place. It may be E or you may have manual. Manually you can go through this, or you can have evaluation. E-evaluation shakyato hot nahi. Normally for tendering process, manual evaluation it will be done, and after qualifying only the qualified bidders or qualified firms, they will get notified. So notifications that is given to those regarding the acceptance of the tender. Then contracts established and managed. Then once the order is given, then the contracts will be established in between the particular organization and the firm who is going to complete the work. And then the tender process, it is finally determined, means it gets completed. But the next is that execution of the work. So that is rest of the part. So e-tendering process is quite similar to that of our conventional tendering process. Only question is that here we are having entire things on digital platform. So it is more transparent. Right. Specification of tender notice we have seen. Tender notice format. You can have the tender notice format. Tender notice inviting quotation for the purchase of the computer system, printer and MS Office. So like this you can have tender notice you can provide. It is visible. So what it is particularly This is for particularly for the